If you are looking for a visa sponsorship site in the UK, you must know this website. If you know anyone who is looking for a visa sponsorship job in the UK or who lives abroad who's looking for a visa sponsorship job, please share this video with them. This website will benefit them. This website is actually owned by the government. The first thing you should do is to go on and create an account. You put your email here, you put your password, you put your this in there. Once you've done that, you create an account. That means anytime a job that matches your criteria is released, you would be the first to know. So let me quickly show you this now, okay? So as you can see here, it says here, it is very written bold and clear. Skilled worker visa sponsorship is available to applicant that meets the criteria. It's very, very clear here, okay? This is the first one I'm going to show you, okay? I'm trying to make this video very, very short. So this one is making it very clear that they will offer you a visa sponsorship. Let me show you another one, okay? This other one is another job that is being advertised in the UK in Hull. It's saying here, worker visa sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered. So they are still saying to you, they will offer you a visa sponsorship. If you know anyone who is currently living in the UK, who is looking for a visa sponsorship job, please kindly share this video with them. You could be changing someone's life by doing that. Let me show you another one now. Okay, so this is another company here. Where is this one based? This is based in Morriston. Okay, so as you can see here, it says here, again, is the same thing. Worker visa sponsorship is available. It is written very, very clear. Okay, how did we get this website? This website is the official government website. As you can see here, is the government website where employers post jobs that require that comes with visa sponsorship. They post them on this website. So you must know this website. If you know anyone who is currently in the UK who's looking for a visa sponsorship job, please share this video with them. If you know anyone who is abroad who's looking to work in the UK, please share this video with them. So this website is a must. There are other websites such as Indeed Job. You can go on Indeed Job. For example, if you type a visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. Again, this is another website that you can easily use to get visa sponsorship job in the UK. As you can see, this is a visa sponsorship job. It says here, visa sponsorship opportunity. This is another position that is offering you visa sponsorship job in the UK, okay? So make sure you know a website like this. You say all application will be considered, no experience required. As you can see here, visa sponsorship is there. So I've just shown you two ways you can easily get visa sponsorship. So the next thing I'm going to show you is a list of the major companies in the UK that hired the highest numbers of people from abroad last year. These companies covers from manufacturing, IT, social care, engineering, all sectors of the UK economy is included. So I'm going to give you names of these companies now, one by one. So all you need to do, go on their website and go onto their career page and start looking for jobs as soon as possible. Okay, so if you've seen value for this video, make sure you consider subscribing to Launch Club and share this video with anyone that you know will benefit. So let me show you a list of the companies now. The UK still remains one of the easiest countries to get a visa sponsorship job and move to if you know which sectors of the UK economy to target and how to target them. After 21 years of living in the UK, I can tell you that this country cannot survive without immigrants. So if you are planning to move to the UK in 2024, please don't give up. Watch this video because you're going to learn how to grab a visa sponsorship job. I'm going to give you a full list of the companies that hires the highest numbers of people from abroad to come and work in the UK last year, so that you can go on this company's website and start looking for jobs as soon as possible. These companies covers all sectors of the UK's economy, such as health and social care, manufacturing, engineering, IT, oil and gas, banking, consulting. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and I will also show you how you can go on the UK government website and other websites to start looking for visa sponsorship job. So let's go to the list on the list. The number one companies that we're going to look at now is in the manufacturing sector. In the manufacturing sector, the company that you need to be looking at are Jaguar Land Rover, Dyson, Unilever, Airbus, Siemens, Warner Brothers, Teen Angela Production, Brunswick, MG Media Limited, Double Negative Limited, and the Underwood. These are the companies that you need to be targeting if you're looking for a job in the manufacturing sector. So go on this company's website and look. So if you're looking for a job in the engineering sector, you need to be looking at Atkins Limited, Zaha Hadid Limited, Global Maritime Engineering, Service Woodley, Quest Global, Airbus A System Limited, Vulcani, Robert Bosch, European Arctic Project. These are the companies that you need to be looking at in engineering. Or when it comes to leisure, the companies that you need to be looking at are Live Nation, Old Empire Limited, Bronac Limited, EMR Arctic Service, Primary Talent Information Limited, TB Agency, K2 Agency Academic, Music Group, the Royal Opera, Latin Pope Organizations. These are the companies that you should be targeting when it comes to leisure. So the next on my list is social care. So when it comes to social care, you need to be looking at the NHS Foundation Trust in Manchester, King's College Hospital, Imperial Trust Hospital. You need to be looking at East Kent Hospital, Bath Health Hospital, Oxford University Foundation Hospital, the Royal Foundation, University Teaching Hospital Southampton, University Hospital Birmingham. These are the hospitals that you can look for. If you're looking to work in health and social care, you need to look at those companies, those hospitals that I've just mentioned. You will be able to get hospital job, you'll be able to get job in the NHS, and most of the NHS job, they will be on that website that I've just given you. So the next on my list is energy. So if you're looking for a job in the energy sector, you need to be looking at Shell, BP, Rolls-Royce UK Limited, SSC, National Grid, EDF, Halliburton, SSO Production Company, Wood Group UK, Centrico PLC, Direct Limited, AECOM Limited. These are the companies that you should be looking at if you're looking for a job in the engineering sector. If you're looking for a job in the consulting strategy sector, you need to be looking at Accentric UK Limited, McKinsey Company Limited, HCL Technology Limited, Boston Consulting Group, UK Premium Model, Volvo Visa Limited, Orville Astray and Partners International, Boeing and Company, GCH Action, Oakwood Capital Limited, Show Production. These are the companies that you need to be looking at. You also need to be looking at Total Consulting, Google UK, GT Recruitment. You need to be looking at IBM Limited, NTT Data, Gulf Gold UK Limited, Hardware Limited, Microsoft. These are the companies that you should be looking at. When it comes to education, all the universities in the UK have certificates to bring to sponsor people to come and work abroad. So if you are a lecturer, you got PhD, you're looking to come and work in the education sector, the sectors that you need to be targeting: Oxford University, Cambridge University, Glasgow, Nottingham University, Leeds, Liverpool, Newcastle, Teesside University, University of Reading. All these universities all have sponsorship to bring people to come and work abroad. So if you're looking at the automobile sector, you need to be looking at Macintosh Service, Volkswagen, MG Clutch, Automobile Central Limited, Honda Europe, Hearthstone Motor Service, Mercedes, QX Limited, Yazaki Europe Limited, MG Motor UK, Volvo Group, Trucks and Vol Limited, and Rivers Fleet Solution. This is another company. And we go on. The next one on my list is the banking sector. If you're looking to work in the banking sector, you need to be looking at HSBC, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, Credit Suisse, Lloyds Bank PLC, BVP, London branch, Standard Chartered Bank, the Blackstone Group company. And then you need to be looking at Santander branch, London, Monzo, Bank of China, Bank of America. All these banks have licenses to bring people abroad. So these are the full list that you need to be looking at. If you're seeing value for this video, make sure you consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. We want to help as many people as possible to fulfill their migration dream. Share this video with your friends and family. Information is power. With the right information, you can finally achieve your dream of migrating to the UK this 2024. So go on this company's website and go on their career page. Go and look at the job that they have. I would say if you look at anything and there is no job that matches your criteria, don't give up. What you need to do is to set up a job alert so that anytime they release a job that matches your criteria, you will be the first to know. I hope this video you found value for this video. Consider subscribing to Launch Club Media if you haven't done so. We want to help as many people as possible to fulfill their migration dream without needing to spend money on lawyers and agents. Make sure you have a very good CV. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Look at the description section for the link that I've left in the description section. May God bless you. May God let your dream come true. I'll see you when I release my next video. Thank you.